smart kid. Ready, set, go. And one left. Hello, yellow car.
Hi there.
What are you doing? Are you playing? Is that a new game?
Yes, this is a game called Funny Beans. It's really good fun. Do you want to play it with me?
Yes, of course. I would like to play with you very much.
Okay, then let's go to a special track where we will play.
Okay, let's go.
Right, okay, I'll bring all these beans. Here we are. Look, here there are some white tracks. When we play, we roll 2 beans down the track and then we will see which one wins.
Yes, okay, I understand everything, so let's play.
Okay then, we will begin.
Ah, my bean got the furthest, even though it fell off the track, so I won the game.
But mine stayed in place on the track, so maybe I won the game. Let's see who wins the next game.
Ha, I really like this game. Let's play it again.
Great, okay, we will play the game again.
That is a great game. I like it very much. I want to play it all the time.
I like it too, and I like playing it with you. You can come anytime to play it with me.
Remember to subscribe to see the latest videos.